Hi! In this video, we're going to talk about cartoons and how does it affect children.
As you know, the way we educate children has changed a lot in the last 20 years, but the question is why?
The answer is when they start watching cartoons.
The reason kids may become violent is that when their parents go to work, they see whatever they want and spend hours watching TV.
Here are some examples of what they usually see on TV.
What do you think watching so many violent acts at a young age is doing to them?
There are so many acts of violence in schools. Our children have been programmed to be violent, and this is especially harmful to kids under the age of 8, since they can't tell between what is real and what is fantasy.
Films that used to have X-rated in the 60s are now rated R and PG-13 is what we used to have as R.
Growing up with too much violence, and this causes them to become violent, since kids imitate what they see.
One way to show this is that when you let some kids watch a fighting movie, by the time the movie ends, they're going to be kicking each other.
By the time that kids turn 18, the average kid has seen about 200,000 acts of violence and 16,000 murders through their life in the United States.
So, be careful what your kids watch on TV.
Agree, Lois. Like, for instance, if you're watching a TV show and you decide to take your values from that, you're an idiot. Maybe you should take responsibility for what values your kids are getting. Maybe you shouldn't be letting your kids watch certain shows in the first place if you have such a big problem with them, instead of blaming the shows themselves. Yeah.